Hello TLC drivers! In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up the app Trip Bid in your iPhone devices. First, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Trip Bid. Once you find it, tap the cloud icon with a downward pointing arrow to download the app and wait for it to finish. Then, tap the Open button. The app will begin loading, and once the pop-up window appears, tap Allow to receive notifications from Trip Bid. Trip Bid wants to access your camera, tap Allow to grant permission. Then, tap Get Started. Tap Allow again. Tap Allow again. A pop-up window will appear asking, Allow Trip Bid to find Bluetooth devices. Here you have to tap Allow. Then, in the next pop-up window, tap Allow again. After this, the app will say, GPS is off, meaning GPS is disabled. So you must tap Settings, then find the option Location and tap it. Then tap Always to turn it on, but please be sure the blue check mark is active on the right. Then go back. And in the pop-up window that appears, tap Cancel. After that, tap Get Started. There you must click for company device login, tap here. Then, enter your phone number, the company name, Gallant. After that, enter the dispatcher code provided by the person assisting you with the registration, and then click the Login button. Wait for it to load, and that's it. You're now in the app. To begin, click the Start button, which allows you to see all available trips in the system. If you want to stop the app, simply press Stop and confirm by pressing Yes.
That's all. It's your turn.